If you're looking for a snack that's very delicious, very soft, and have no yeast in it, then this African drop donuts is for you. Welcome to the Sumptuous Side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metoka, and you're highly welcome to my channel today. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Also turn on your post notification button. That's the bell icon so I can get notified when I drop new video. Into the bowl, I just save all-purpose flour, added salt and cinnamon. You can make use of nutmeg as well. I almost forgot about baking powder. It is very important when baking or cooking to assemble all ingredients. Mix all this together well and set aside. Into another bowl, crack egg. Please do click on the like button and comment below just to show that you love this recipe, and also YouTube will help push my video to more audience. So please click on the like button and comment below. And then add in milk, melted butter or margarine, vanilla extract and sugar. Mix well until the sugar dissolves. So I just found out some couple of days ago, and I said, let me to share this to people, to those that are not aware that some of this butter that we buy here in Nigeria are not butter. These are high quality margarine. The ingredients in butter are very few, like 4 ingredients, and that's it. But all this high quality margarine, they have lengthy ingredients. Where you see ingredients like vegetable oil, coloring, you know that this is high quality margarine. These are not butter at all. So when you're buying butter, make sure that you look at the ingredient. When you see things like milk or cream, you know that you are buying butter. When you see vegetable oil or other things, plenty list of ingredients, you are buying high quality margarine. And the thing is that they're good quality margarine as well in the market that are not as expensive as this one that claims they are butter and why they are margarine. So instead of you wasting your money to buy this high quality margarine that are actually not butter but they say they are butter, we can buy also margarine that are high quality too, that tastes very good like butter itself. And the butter I'm referring to here as thick butter. The brands will shock you. Seriously, the brands, when you go out and check and pick up this, the brands will shock you that they are selling high quality margarine and not butter. The reason why I say let me just bring this out to people's attention, just for those that don't know, is because maybe you want to make like Swiss meringue or something that requires butter, and you are using this high quality margarine, and then the outcome is not what you want, and you're just wondering maybe the person that shared the recipe did not give you the right recipe or something, but you don't know that it's the ingredient that you use in making this that's making your Swiss meringue or whatever that you need high quality butter for is not coming out the way it should. So please make sure you check the ingredients of the butter that you're buying before buying it. So mix the dry ingredient and the wet ingredient together until everything is smooth and well combined. I love this recipe a lot. I love this drop donuts a lot because it is very simple, it's very easy to make, and it is so delicious, very delicious. And I also want to say a special thank you to all my OJs, to all those that keep watching my videos whenever I post, that keep liking, that keep commenting, that keep sharing. Thank you so much. Lot of kisses to you. And you can as well click on the share button to share this video to your friends, your family, your community. So this is the consistency as which your drop donut batter should look like. It should be in between smooth, it should be in between thick and runny. Like if you're familiar with puff, that is the consistency at which your batter should look like. But if you've never done puff before, but this is the way this should look like. You can say the batter is not, you can say this batter is runny batter, and you can say this batter is a thick batter. That is the way your batter should look like. And very important to know that when you are measuring your flour, please make sure that you level it. If you're not familiar with leveling, if you're not familiar with how to measure your flour properly, I have a short video here on my YouTube short. I'll just be dropping the link towards the end of this video. You can go there and click it, or check the description box, the link is there. So the next thing is to do is just to fry this in deep hot oil. It's very, very important to know that this fries so quickly, and you can as well increase the size at which you're dropping this in your oil. So if you want a bigger size, you can increase the size at which you are putting this in the oil. So this is the size at which I love mine to be. So whatever works for you, please do that. Like I said, this fries so quickly. It fries so quickly. So be mindful of the temperature at which you're frying this. Like, if you fry it in hot oil, it's just going to just brown up and it won't cook inside. This is what happened to me earlier. I'll be showing you as we're going. When you just see that as you're dropping it, it's already frying, it's already browning up. So you just know that the inside is not well cooked. So you just want to reduce the heat at which you're frying this so that everything can cook well. And the taste is, oh my god, you will love it. So I promise you will enjoy every bit of it. So I want to say something towards the end of this. I know that a lot of Nigerians will just want to finish me, but it's just the truth, and just keep watching. So like I said, in this one, it's fried so quickly. Before even, as you just entering the fire, it's already browning up. So you just want to reduce the heat of this. You don't want the oil to be overly hot so that it doesn't just fry and it's not cooked all the way through. So please follow this procedure so that you can have a very, very beautiful drop donuts. So look at how very beautiful this drop donut looks. When I said this is so yummy, oh my god, it is so creamy, it's so yummy, it's so flavorful, it's soft. So what I wanted to say was that this is way better than buns. Yes, this is way better than buns. I'm not saying this is way better than puff puff. Puff puff is on its own league, like no one come close to puff puff. But for buns, this knocks both out of the market. This is soft, this is amazing, it is so yummy. You will enjoy it. Do not forget, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit on the like button, comment below. I would love to hear from you. You can share this recipe, and as well you can check my other previous videos. I have lots of amazing things that I've posted before, so do well to go and check my page for 8 different type of bread. You can just watch my playlist and you'll be in for some amazing goodness. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses. Ciao.